Hello friends, welcome to my practice session. Today is 9th day. Today we will practice again 5 kanji, that is numerical. Q, Zu, Hyaku, Sen, Man. Q kanji developed from this picture and Ju is developed from these pictures. Okay. So today we will practice these 5 kanjis. Before we practiced Yon, Go, Roku, Shichi or Nana and Hachi. And today we will practice these 5 kanjis. Okay. Let's start. Meaning of this kanji is 9. This kanji developed from this picture. And kunyomi, kokonotsu, and onyomi, ku or Q. Kakikata, ichi, ichi, ni. Okay. Ichi, ni. Let's learn some words. Kokonotsu, counter of small things. So 9 things. Kugatsu. We cannot say Kyugatsu, it is Kugatsu. Kugatsu means September. Then Kokonoka, 9th day of the month. Next Kyunin, 9 people. So reading of this kanji, Kokonotsu, Kokonoka, Ku and Kyu. So let's practice Ichi, Ni, Q, Kyunin no Q, Kugatsu no Ku, Ichi, Ni, Q, Ku, 9, Ichi, Ni, Ichi, Ni, Ichi, Ni, Kugatsu no Ku, Kyunin no Q, Kokonoka no Kokono, Kokonotsu, Ichi, Ni, Ichi, Ni, Ichi, Ni. Like this you write 3-4 times, it is easily remember. Okay. And practice these words. Kokonotsu, 9 things. Kugatsu, ku reading. Kokonoka, Kyunin, Q reading. Okay. So 9 people. Every day practice like this and practice 3-4 words. It is best way to remember and memorize the kanji. Let's practice next kanji. Meaning of this kanji: 10. Kunyomi, To, Onyomi, Ju, Ju, Kakikata. It is very simple, like a cross. No? Ichi, Ni, Kakusu, 2. To, write some words. 10 things. Toka, this is he kanji, we learn already using per day. So 10th day, month. Next Junin, when you counting the people it will be Junin. Junin, 10 people. Jugatsu, October. Ichi, Ni, Ju, Ichi, Ni, Ju, Jugatsu no Ju, Junin no Ju, Ichi, Nin, To, using for things. Okay. Ichi, Ni, Ju, 10. Ichi, Ni, Ju, 10. Ichi, Ni, Ju, 10. Okay. So please practice this kanji 2-3 times. It is okay to remember. Okay. And practice these words. Next kanji is Hyaku kanji. Meaning is 100. No kunyomi, onyomi, hyaku, byaku, pyaku. Kakikata, how to write? Ichi, ichi ni san, ichi ni san shi, ichi ni san shi go, ichi ni san shi go roku. Kakusu 6. Hyaku 100. We never say ichi hyaku. It is always in hyaku. Hyaku means 100. Why there are 3 readings, byaku, pyaku? Because when it will come san, the reading will be byaku. San byaku 300. And pyaku it is using for 6 and 8. Ropyaku 600. And you can say also hapyaku. This is using for hachi 800. Hapyaku 800. Okay. So ichi, ni, yon, go, nana, kyu. All are reading as hyaku. Okay. San, byaku. Roku and hachi, byaku. Okay. Hyaku, ni hyaku, yon hyaku, go hyaku, nana hyaku, kyu hyaku. San byaku, ropyaku, hapyaku. Okay, you just remember this one. Then practice kanji. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, hyaku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, san byaku, no byaku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, hyaku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, san byaku no byaku, ropyaku no byaku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, hyaku. Practice this way. Let's practice next kanji. Next kanji meaning is 1000. Kunyomi, chi, and onyomi, sen or jen. Kakekata, ichi, ichi, ni, san. Words, senen, sen, 1000, and you can say also sanjen. Here kakusu 3. Sanjen 3000. And also you can say chi, chiba no chi. Chiba is a prefecture of Japan, so it is chiba. Chiba no chi kanji also sen kanji. Okay, prefecture of a Japan. Okay, let's practice. Ichi, ni, san, sen. Ichi, ni, san, sen. Ichi, ni, san, sen. Sanjen no jen. Ichi, ni, san. 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 Okay, sen. Next, practice next kanji. Meaning is 10,000. It is also using for all and also every. This kanji meaning is 10,000 man, but it is also using for all and every. There is no kunyomi. Onyomi is man and ban. Right? Ichi, ni, san. Kakusu 3. Ichiman 10,000. Niman, sanman, yonman. Like this you can say also. No? Then ban koku. कुनी कांजी दिस इज, हम आगे जाकर एक कांजी पढ़ेंगे. दिस इज कंट्री कांजी. सो बान कोको इट इज all countries. Meaning is all countries. Let's practice. Ichi, ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Man. Ichi, ni, san. Man. Ban kokuno ban. Ichi, ni, san. Man or ban kokuno ban. Like this. Okay. Practice this way. This much is enough to remember a kanji. Okay. We say no in India that one time writing is better than 10 times reading. So please practice, write 3-4 times. You will be remember the kanji. Okay. it is not only help you to learn the Japanese language, it is also help you to use this kanji in your career, in your profession, in your job also. So you need to memorize, and this is very easiest way to memorize. Okay, make sure that before going to bed you just practice these 5 kanjis. Okay, today we learn Q kanji, Ju kanji, Hyaku, Sen, Man. Okay, these kanjis are very easy because they have very few strokes. Okay, so please practice this kanji. In next lesson we will learn En, Nen, Ue, Sita, Naka. These 5 kanji we will learn in next practice session, in tomorrow's practice session. Okay, today this much. Let's meet in tomorrow with new 5 kanjis and we will do practice. Okay, please make sure to practice these 5 kanjis before going to bed. Write 3-4 times. It will be really very good for you. Okay, sayonara, goodbye, stay healthy and stay safely.